There is no greater feeling. That moment when you're getting your bike ready to hit the open road. You've polished every piece of metal, every bit of chrome, every inch of glass. No detail has been overlooked. You've lubed the chain, checked the tire pressure, changed the fluids, tightened every screw. Now all it's left for you to do is put on your jacket, add the last few details, and you're ready. Ready to take in the fresh air and the wide open landscapes. You slowly roll your bike out of the garage, put on your helmet, and then it's time to rock and roll.